official. Twizel is the coldest place in the country this morning. It's nearly -10 according to the apps that we have available to us. I'm actually thinking it might be a bit colder than that, but who knows. And a fog has just descended upon us, which makes it feel even colder. After our overnight stop at Aoraki Canal, we decided to drive 4 minutes it took us, to the Twizel Holiday Park. And if you belong to the NZMCA, they have what they call a camp saver scheme, that during the winter months, certain camping areas, camping grounds around the country offer powered sites for $20 for 2 people. So we decided that the laundry was very much in need, and also with the drop in temperature forecasted, we thought, why not treat ourselves for 3 nights at the Twizel Holiday Park for $20 a night and plug into power. So today it's all about tiki touring. So we've jumped in the car and we've driven up to Aoraki, Mount Cook, New Zealand's tallest mountain. And what a stunning day it is today, and she is sitting there in all her glory. So behind me you can see in the background Mount Sefton, and can't quite get shots of Aoraki at the moment because the sun's sitting right squarely smack bang on top, so it's nothing but glare. So on our way back down, hopefully we can stop and get some good shots because she's looking pretty spectacular. I'm taking this video at the Hermitage, which is right at the base of Mount Cook, and it's mothballed at the moment, post-COVID, and we'll never ever see it this quiet again. They're hoping that they will open it up in about 2 to 3 weeks' time. So it's quite good timing actually to be wandering around when there's nobody here. So we've driven into the car park which takes you to the Tasman Glacier, and just like all the glaciers we visit, it has receded such a lot. It's really hard to get a good shot of it because the sun once again is not playing ball and it's sort of right in the way, so all you'd get is the glare. But it took, I think the sign said about 15-minute walk, so but that was pretty much up steep stairs, large steep stairs, so you just have to be aware of that you need to be stair friendly, and they were covered in ice, so it'll be just a slow descent I think going back, but yeah, no, relatively easy walk. And I'm just going to swing you around to show you the glacier in the background, and this whole big pond and lake here in front of us, all of this area here was where the glacier was all the way up here, and was around about here in 1993, so a lot of receding going on.